Alright guys, I know I told you about the daffodil, and I'm about to pop it, so yeah, enjoy it guys, cause I couldn't do it for you guys the time I showed you the video, but here I'm gonna do it. Here's a fuse, so have a good one. Here you go. Here you go, guys. It's pretty nice, very nice, guys. Check it out. Get the lighter right now. And you guys are gonna have a blast. Check it out. Here you go. Here you go, guys. Check it out. Very nice. Check it out. Daffodil. Yeah. Very cool, huh, guys? All right. Take it easy. Bye.